All right, guys. Morning in my Telegram channel. What I told, I'm looking for short. Here I can see Bank Nifty mainly looking for short, and the Bank Nifty buy if price break this level 42,320. So mainly where we are focusing on. So let me explain here. So first, let me show you just a minute. And the price open somewhere here. This one morning. And price pull back near 0.5 standard deviation line, and after that price pull back again. So what was our main direction? That was in a downside. So finally we have seen this is the bearish candle, and exactly we trigger short order somewhere here. So finally we booked the profit around one standard deviation line. So here I can see price exactly hit. So what was our direction? That was selling side. So after that we have seen price are consolidating in this area, and finally price form a strong bearish candle. So we was focusing on a fell side. So exactly we short and booked profit somewhere here. But finally you can see price recover that one. We are not focusing on any buy side. So we had two trade today. First trade somewhere here we short it. The second trade we short somewhere here. So most of the people are thinking, hey, why you are not able to enter here? Because you can see in this area, so price was in a sideways zone. Basically, we are taking position after here I can see 9:15 price open, market open, and exactly we close our position near 10:30. So after that we take position 1 p.m. Right, 1 p.m. So most of the time in between this area price become a sideways range. So what I told before market take a big move, so I informed that it's going to run a huge movement right now. So at that time I explained. So in that case we have seen huge volatility. So first we have seen this one is strong volatility, because according to the price action method price was running. So it's a possibility to create a new higher lower high. So next we get a confirmation. So next entry point will be somewhere here, and the price drop from this area. But we are not interested at any bullish side in this area, so we miss that opportunity. So basically we are focusing in one direction in a specific day. So let me explain tomorrow what type of trading strategy and which direction we are going to take position. So let me remove everything. So first let's go to in the daily time frame. So this one daily time frame, according to the price action method, let me show you what they are forming. Price are creating a higher high and a higher low. So comparatively, yesterday candle and today candle, you can see that was the lower point, higher point, and that was the lower point. So, and if you combine both of them, today create a new high and a higher low. So definitely tomorrow we are going to buy price, whatever price open doesn't matter. We are looking for buy only after getting confirmation. But if price break this today's lower point, so definitely we'll go for short. But I'm not expecting that price will break this today lower point somewhere here. So that is why we are looking for buy tomorrow only. So let me explain. So suppose price open somewhere here, we'll wait for a price action method. So once price start creating a new high, so that will be buy opportunity. Price pullback, that will be buy opportunity. Price pullback, that will be buy opportunity. That is our trading strategy. And the price open a gap down, if price not able to break this lower point and price create a new a higher high according to price action method. Next buy, pullback, buy, pullback, buy. That is the strategy. So you have to wait for the proper confirmation. That is the rule of this market. So you think that you are catch every pips, so I am sure that price will hit SL again and again, again and again. So that is why you just confirm where you are going to take position in a which direction. That is the important thing. So as I said, according to price action method, here you can see in a daily time frame creating higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low. So it means tomorrow we are going to take buy only after giving a pullback. So you can use any indicator. Once give buy opportunity, take the buy. Maintain your SL. Once hit SL doesn't matter. You just buy it next when you are getting the buy opportunity. But you just confirm which direction you are going to take position. All right. In a single day and a single direction. As I said yesterday, I'm looking for short today. So that is why I'm taking a short position today. Even price goes up, shoots out, but I missed that opportunity. It doesn't matter for me. But when price are giving a pullback, I catch the market exactly. That is the main rule. Okay, so let me show you demand zone. When we are looking for buy, that is called demand zone. So find out the proper demand zone where exactly you wanna enter in this market by using standard deviation. If you don't know about the standard deviation, man, you just take a message or just give a comment. So in my Telegram channel, I'm giving this standard deviation formula. You just put it. Okay. So let me find out some demand zone for tomorrow. As a buyer, we need a demand zone. As a seller, we need a supply zone. So first, where is the demand zone? Just a minute. Okay. Now I can see according to price action method. Let me show you first. Price pullback goes up and the pullback. Just a minute. Goes up, pullback, and it goes up. Sorry. Pullback and the price goes up from this area. Now here I can see, let me zoom a little bit, then it comes to know like that. So in that case, we have seen price are creating new higher high comparatively previous high and forming a lower high comparatively previous lower point. So in that case, we are looking for buy. All right. So now you must find out some demand zone. So where is the demand zone? How we identify this demand zone? Demand zone means some big money. So you can say like a smart money buying somewhere. All right. And push the market higher. So you can see where is the position in that case. Let me show you. So from this area, price push up again. All right. So who enter in this market? The smart money enter in this market, and market push up. Sorry, market push up. And I think this guy booked the profit somewhere here, and the next smart money entered where? So in this candle. All right. So this is our demand zone right now. So now, if here I can see, if price open somewhere here Suppose pullback, and a rejection or some rejection candle are forming, so that is our entry point. Or if price push down to this level and form a rejection in this area, so that will be our buy opportunity. Why we are looking for buy? According to the daily time frame, they are creating higher high and a higher high. Now in a 15-minute time frame, we must find out this demand zone. This is the demand zone, and this is the demand zone. Now we need a pullback. So suppose price opens somewhere here, we have to wait for a pullback in a small time frame near demand zone if showing any price action method and creating new higher high. So that will be our buy opportunity. That is the important rule. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for giving your valuable time.